Hello, I'm Aditi Palit from IIT Tirupati, and today I will be presenting our work Pooling Diverse Voices Logarithmic Binary Fusion for Server-Side Pseudo-Labeling in Federated Learning LFBC, which has been accepted in ICV GIP 2025. In many real-world federated learning setups, the server actually has access to a huge pool of unlabeled data. For example, images uploaded by user, public dataset, or data collected by devices over the time. At the same time, client holds small labeled dataset and their models are often heterogeneous, different architecture, different number of layers, and trained on different classes. This creates an opportunity as well as a challenge. The opportunity is that if the client could help label the server's data, the global model would improve dramatically. And the challenges are that the current FL algorithm cannot use client prediction reliably because clients do not share the same model, clients do not even share the same label space, and multi-class aggregation breaks down when data is highly non-ID. As a result, today's FL system leaves the server unlabeled data completely unused. Thus, a solution is to address this problem of unlabeling the unlabeled data. A solution is to break the multi-class problem into independent one versus rest binary classifier. Each client only trains classifier for the classes it actually has. This avoids architectural matching handles non-ID data naturally and support incremental addition of new classes without retaining and everything. During inference, the server sends unlabeled samples to the clients. Clients return only scalar probability score for the classes they support, never model weights or raw data. This makes the method extremely communication efficient and privacy friendly. To combine prediction across heterogeneous clients, we propose two log space fusion strategy: log geometrical mean (LGM) and mean log of odds (MLO). LGM emphasis on conscious among confident client penalizing uncertainty, whereas mean odds balances positive and negative evidence using log odds, making it robust to calibration differences. Working in log space ensures numerical stability and gives a principal integration. LGM correspond to likelihood pooling, while MLO approximate a likelihood ratio test. In LFVC, each client creates binary classifier only for the classes it locally has. For example, if a client has digits 0 to 7, it trains three binary classifiers: 0 versus rest, 2 versus rest, and 7 versus rest. This completely removes architectural constraint and allows easy scalability when new classes appear. The server sends unlabeled samples to the client. Each client returns only probability score from its binary classifier. The server then groups these probability by class. All class 0 scores together, all class 1 scores together, and so on by using one of the log space fusion method, either MLO or LGM. The final class is calculated via argmax of the fusion class scores. We experimented LFBC's efficiency across MNIST, Fashion MNIST, and Cephart 10 under strong non-IID and heterogeneous client setup. LFBC can be seen significantly outperforms Fed average, Fed over, and Fed stack, which were the baselines. It generates higher quality pseudo label, require far less communication, and naturally expand when new classes are added, since only one new binary classifier are required. Some of the limitation of LFBC is that performance can degrade when client probability are poorly calibrated or when client models are highly correlated. And scalability issue can arise when the number of classes per client increase significantly. Thus, we want to thank you for watching, and we believe LFBC contributes as a practical step towards scalable federated learning in truly heterogeneous environment. Thank you.